manufacturer of products for $1949 to 51 shoebox Fords, made in Detroit in our own factories. What we're going to talk about today is our new transmission drive shaft tunnel, the Max Drop Kit, for the guys that have shoe boxes and want to slam them cars to the ground. Only EMS Automotive can engineer extra clearance transmission covers, extra clearance drive shaft tunnels for your shoebox Ford, made in Detroit out of heavy 18 gauge metal. Many of you have already bought our extra clearance transmission tunnels, but as you can see here, it's for the normal drive shaft. We've re-engineered this for the Max Drop Kit to give you more space for the drive shaft, for the transmission, so you get them rocker panels on the ground. We re-engineered this in the back. We have a slip fit for our new Max Drop transmission tunnel. We give you 2 big lengths, so you got plenty to go all the way to the back seat, back axle, wherever you need to put that. We make it easy. You just trim it out, it goes right on. Here again, for our extra super clearance transmission cover, it's a 2-piece. The transmission cover will bolt into the stock location, no problem. It's a 2-piece, so we got a little bit of adjustment here. Goes up, easy fit up. The Max Drop Kit, only from EMS. You can always call us at 248-546-0232 or go to our website, which is
EMSautomotive.com.